Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update apps on Google Play Store. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you're going to do is tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now navigate to the settings at the bottom and yeah, like that. Click on that. Now I need to show you here. All right. Navigate to the network preferences and then select tap on auto update apps just like that, and here you have it. So you can over Wi-Fi only or over any network, so choose whichever you like, and that's basically it. So yeah, this is the method one. Now we have the second method, which is basically that you update all the apps manually at once. So if you prefer to review updates before they install. So what you need to do is just jump back to your profile. So right over here where you see your profile. Now then tap on manage apps and devices. Just like that. Let me show you. Okay. And now look at the update available. So update available, we see here that I have 16 update pending. So I can see detail and which apps are. And if I click on that, I can update all, as you can see at the top, or I can manually select which one I want to update. And this is pretty much how you can update apps on Google Play Store. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the